Hello, welcome to the Real Deal Kitchen. Some boiled eggs with tomatoes, cucumbers, celery, and a little bit of dressing along with some Jamaican water crackers. So this is just something simple, like a simple breakfast or lunch or appetizer dish. So at the Real Deal Kitchen, you get all these creative, delicious stuff. Very easy to make. Only takes at least 10 minutes to 15 minutes to boil your eggs. And there is a video on how to boil eggs. So try this out, guys. Share it, like it, and let me know if you have tried it and how it tastes. So for your tomato, cucumbers, and celeries, you can dress it up with whatever dressing you like. I just pour a little bit of avocado oil over it. So check this out. Thanks guys for watching and welcome back to the Real Deal Kitchen. Like and subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.